The method of partial fractions is best if the denominator and numerator are composed entirely of polynomial functions or polynomial expressions. However, for our next example, you see that we have a square root of x in the denominator. So those terms which are bothersome, remember we can always replace them with u. So let u now be equal to square root of x. This means that if you square both sides, your x should be equal to u squared, and as well, the dx can also be derived as equal to 2u du. So we employ the substitution now to get rid of this bothersome square root of x, and so we're left with an expression that is purely algebraic in nature, or purely polynomial. That's a purely polynomial expression rather. So with that, your dx now becomes 2u du, and as for your denominator, you now get 9 minus u squared times u. This we can now easily handle with. 9 minus u squared, we can easily factor it out to give us 3 minus u times 3 plus u. And now we try to apply our method of partial fractions to integrate this integrand. So decomposing our integrand over here into partial fractions, we now get the following. And we now try to multiply both sides of this expression by the denominator 3 minus u times 3 plus u. So by doing that, 3 minus u and 3 minus u over here cancels out to give you a times 3 plus u. Similarly, 3 plus u over here cancels out the 3 plus u to leave you with b times 3 minus u. On the left side, wala na siyang denominator whatsoever, since we've multiplied everything in here by our denominator 3 minus u times 3 plus u. And so we assign values of u. Assign the values of u such that one term disappears and only one other remains. So let's say we assign u equals to 3. If u is now equal to 3, you'll get the b term disappearing on u to give you the following. So 3 minus 3, 0 times b, all of this disappears. So you get 2 equals to 6a, or a is now equal to 1/3. We assign yet another value of u, this time to make your a term disappear. So let u be equal to negative 3 now. You'll get only the b remaining while the a term disappears. And so b is computed as also equal to 1/3. So with the values of a and b already computed, we return to our partial fractions over here. And we now get a is now equal to 1/3. Likewise, the b over here is also equal to 1/3. These we can easily integrate. So integrating all of these two integrands here gives us the following. And for our final answer, we replace our u's with the original expression, original variable, which is in terms of x. So since your u is equal to square root of x, our final answer is then equal to this.